Over the past few years, the printing industry has seen dramatic changes in the way it does business. Digital print has revolutionized the way the world processes the printed word. The economies of doing large print runs are no longer necessary. Digital print enables the printer to output precisely the number of books the customer wants, quickly and cost efficiently. Introducing the KOILMATIC, a fully electric, tabletop, automatic coil inserter finishing system for the digital print market. As a fully electric machine, the KOILMATIC easily fits into any digital print environment. No compressed air is required. The KOILMATIC, requiring a simple 110-volt wall socket or 220 volts outside of North America, is ideal for the printer doing as few as 25 books. No tools are required for basic setup. Changeover between jobs takes only minutes with a unique coil-size carriage adjustment gauge and book clamp adjustment gauge. The machine's logical operation, ergonomic work surfaces, and convenient foot pedal actuation mean that even the inexperienced operator will be up to speed in no time. The KOILMATIC has an LCD screen that guides the operator through the machine's setup and operation. The LCD screen communicates the machine status at all times. Let's show you just how easy it is. Books are pre-punched with the recommended oversized oval punch hole. Round holes will work, but the oversized oval hole enables the KOILMATIC to achieve its maximum productivity. The pre-punched book is logically placed vertically into position on the KOILMATIC, working with a simple force of gravity to guide the book down onto the machine's spine formers. Vertical book placement also means tabs or extended covers are easily accommodated. The KOILMATIC comes complete with a set of 13 spine formers, conveniently stored inside the front panel of the machine, that can handle coil diameters from 8 to 20 millimeters. That will handle books up to 5/8 of an inch in thickness. The spine formers create a curve to the book's binding edge that duplicates the curve of the plastic spiral. The KOILMATIC has a built-in coil sizing gauge to help the operator confirm the diameter of coil required in relation to the book's thickness. The KOILMATIC's innovative carriage adjustment gauge lets the operator change from size to size with ease. The KOILMATIC book clamp adjustment gauge uses the book that's being bound to set the proper book clamp positioning. Preset cut and bend head positioning blocks make setup quick and easy for the common 8.5 and 11-inch bindings, along with the European A5 and A4 sizes. The machine's coil diameter range of 8 to 20 millimeters handles the majority of work being done by the digital printer. The machine's side lay and book clamp work together to make sure each book is perfectly positioned to receive coil. The operator then simply drops a piece of preformed, pre-cut coil into position, and with a step on the foot pedal, the coil is inserted into the book and both coil ends simultaneously cut and crimped. That's it. Production speeds on the KOILMATIC are rated as high as 450 books per hour. The KOILMATIC is easy to install and easy to operate with a low-maintenance design. Troubleshooting is easily handled by the machine's onboard electronic diagnostic system. The automated plastic spiral binding solution for today's digital printer.